Here we've got Nokia 6310 from 2021, and let me show you how to reach and activate Snake game. So first of all, you need to open the menu panel and smoothly slide up or down. It actually doesn't matter. And then pick Snake, and you can either select new game, you can continue the last one, pick some level, or you can change actually the level that you would like to play in. Let me pick the second one. You can choose game type, and you've got here classic, box, tunnel, mill, race, apartment. Let me choose apartment. Then you can check the high scores and manage sounds if you want to. So let me play a new game, and now you need to score. Actually, as you can see, I didn't even ate one cherry, so let me go back and play a new game. It's all about grabbing the cherries. You cannot obviously touch the wall. And actually, I just failed again, and this is how you can activate this game, how you can play it, then go back, and now you'll be able to see this best score, which is really not good because it's only 4 cherries, but still this is the highest from now on. And this is it, this is how you can play a Snake here. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.